Okay, so now today is an amazing and great day for me. Why? Because I have hit 500 subscribers on YouTube thanks to you amazing, talented, beautiful, and intelligent people. Yes, I'm boosting you up because if you subscribe to the channel, you must be an absolute Chad. Now, just because I'm having a great day today does not mean that everyone is having a great day, or even week, or month, or quarter, or year. And guess who is having the worst of all of those? Tesla stock. As we know, we talk about Elon Musk on the channel here all the time. We talk about this man religiously, though we have not really talked much about Tesla. If anything, we've talked about Twitter because that seems to be where his sights have been, set this year. So, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 soon. I'm not going to hold you up, and let's talk about this year that Tesla has had, because when I say it's bad, it's pretty much the worst it's been. Okay, so it says Tesla stock is headed for its worst month, quarter, and year on record, which is pretty bad. And I mean, we all know that technology stocks have all been taking large hits lately, but Tesla is taking massive hits. You know what I'm saying? Something a little abnormal, and a lot of it has to do with, obviously, the way the economy is moving. Currently, but it also has to do with the way Elon Musk is moving and how kind of like he's playing games with Twitter, and that's making Tesla Tesla investors feel like, if he can play so many games with Twitter, why could he not do the same with Tesla? It's like, if you look incompetent in one area, people are going to have less trust for you in other areas. Now it says Tesla's sell-off intensified Tuesday with the stock closing down 11%. Jeez. Elon Musk's electric car company is days away from closing out its worst month, quarter, and year on record, and has moved past Meta to become the worst performing stock in 2022 among the most valuable tech companies. So it is the worst performing tech stock, right now. Buying opportunity, anybody hearing a buying opportunity soon? Maybe not like right now, but you know what I'm saying, some Tesla stock could be kind of nice. I don't necessarily think Tesla's going anywhere. I just think like Elon Musk is playing a lot of games. I think he's eventually going to stop, or he's going to get kicked off the board or whatever, something like that. But it's very interesting to see that Tesla, that could just climb the way it did, then instantly fall from grace, like a lot of these technology, stock companies. But they also don't have a CEO that people just don't trust. And we talked about over here on the channel so much that Elon went from being one of the most loved people to one of the most hated, and his stock prices are showing. Now it says the latest drop comes after the Wall Street Journal reported that Tesla will continue a week-long production halt at its Shanghai facility, facing a fresh onslaught of COVID cases within its Chinese workforce. As you guys know, it's pretty serious over there still, and they're pretty much shutting down their entire country. I think they're just now starting to open up a little bit, but pretty much they've been shut down, like hard shutdowns. Now, it says Reuters reported that when Tesla's Shanghai plant reopens in January, it will do so for just 17 days. In a break from Tesla's established practices, Shanghai has been battered by a fresh wave of C-19 infections this month. Tesla shares have fallen 73%, people. Sheesh. 73% from their record high November 2021. That is the entire stock. Like 73%, that's basically everything. This stock is down 69% in 2022, more than double decline in the NASDAQ. So it's well worse than NASDAQ and well worse than all the other companies. Don't think this is only recession-based. This is not only recession-based. This is recession-based, plus being a technology company, plus having I wouldn't call them incompetent, but a unpredictable CEO. There we go. Among car makers, Ford is down 46%. General Motors has fallen 43%. Since its IPO in 2010, Tesla has fallen in one other year, an 11% drop in 2016. 11% drop, that's not nothing. That's actually a pretty decent drop. But you get the point. And it seems like car makers are falling about 40, probably about somewhere in between 30 and 50%. So for Tesla to be down 69%, It's not a good look. That's what I would be looking like too. That's what I would definitely be looking like that too if my company went down 69%. Like, Twitter is bleeding cash. Listen here, people. This is important. Twitter is a bleeding cash. He's literally taking assets from Tesla and bringing them over to Twitter. He is bringing his best people, over to help out with Twitter. And that's not good for Tesla. It could be good for Twitter. It still doesn't seem like it's working out well. But we got to give that one some time, and everything like that. But it says Twitter is bleeding cash and Musk is selling Tesla stock in big chunks. Why are you selling Tesla stock? It's never a good thing when a CEO is selling his own stock. That normally means that they think it's about to go down, or they think that it's not the value that it should be. And as a person who's able to see the large scope, you literally are you are the main person who makes decisions in the company. You selling off your stock is something that's going to raise eyebrows from pretty much anybody who owns it, because it's like, do you not even trust the company that you are the CEO of, or the company you started up? Now, according to filings in mid-December, Musk sold about 22 million shares of Tesla, which were worth about $3.6 billion. Earlier this year, Musk told his millions of followers on social media that he had no further Tesla shares sales planned after April 28th. After his latest stock sale, Musk said on Twitter Spaces on December 22 that he would not be selling any stock for 18 to 24 months. In a debate with a Tesla shareholder, Musk pinned Tesla's declining share price on the Federal Reserve rate hikes, tweeting that people will increasingly move their money out of stocks into cash, thus causing stocks to drop. Okay, let's talk about this, Elon. Like, yes, it is true. When the Fed raises rates, people are less likely to have their money into stocks and they're more likely to put it in cash. Is that a fact? Absolutely yes. But does that explain why your stock is down 69%, while as other car companies' stocks are down 40%? Huh? What do you have to say to that, Elon? Because, if that were true, then that means that all technology companies, which Tesla is half a car company, half a technology company, you understand? And especially like Twitter. Then why are all of these going down so much when it has to deal with you as opposed to dealing with other people? Clearly, let's say you're right. 40% decrease for all technology stocks, because technology and or automotive stocks, because of that, because the Fed Reserve increased rates, which we already know they've been doing and they're going to continue doing to fight this inflation. Let's say you get 40% from that. What is the difference? Why is yours at 69% where everybody else is at 40%? That's what you got to ask. And the answer to that question, correct me if I'm wrong, chat. Let me know in the comments if you think it's something else. The answer to that is you've taken money out of Tesla to bring over to Twitter. You have taken people out of Tesla to bring over to Twitter. You have angered the common man. You have fired a lot of people, which you slick had to do. I understand that. You fired a lot of people, but that doesn't make you a likable person. So people with Tesla stock are going to sell. It's not like you can blame the Fed for your extracurricular losses when, it's not necessarily their fault. They may be at fault for, I would say, 35% of that, or not even 35%. Is more so just the way the economy is moving right now. You know what I'm saying? We're on a refresh period. The market has been moving straight up for years on years on years, to the point where you could just throw your money in the market, close your eyes, and you would have made money. It's not that type of day. Every now and then the market has to reset, and that's exactly what we're in. So I don't like that Musk really is trying to act ignorant right now. I feel like this tweet is a tweet that stupid people will be like, oh yeah, it's just the Fed, like they're increasing rates, so that's why Tesla is down 69%. 69%. No. His words have done little to placate investors. Trading volumes crossed 102 million shares on Tuesday, the second highest mark for the year, according to FactSet. Behind December 22, Tesla's top 5 trading days by volume have all been since December 13. Now it says for the month of December, Tesla has plunged 44%. 44% in the month of December. by far his worst month ever, as it has never fallen more than 25% in a single month. And then when it probably did, that was probably Elon selling off his shares a few years ago. It's probably why it was even able to fall 10% or something like that. Now, it says, and in the fourth quarter, the stock is down 59%, worse than its 38% drop in the second quarter of the year, which had been its worst period on record. Now it says last month, Tesla expanded discounts in North America for bottles of the buyers of the Model 3 and Model Y electric vehicles. Those discounts came after the automaker offered incentives in mainland China for December auto sales earlier this month. So, hey guys, if you want a Tesla, you might want to check in on those discounts. They real hurt right now. They need some car sales. So if you're looking for a Tesla, you know what I'm saying? Maybe not necessarily right now. You can let the horse get stomped on, beat on, whatever. What is that quote? Don't kick a dead horse or whatever. But it looks like Tesla is a dead horse right now. And if you want a Tesla, kick the dead horse. You know what I'm saying? You might be able to get one for, 20-30% less right now. Elon's got to get it together. And do I think Elon is going to get it together? Yes. I do think he's going to kind of start focusing up a little bit more and start making moves. I think he's going to start realizing, I got to move smarter. You know what I'm saying? I got to move. I can't just be the second richest man on earth, because he just lost that last week. We have a video. Check that out on that. But I can't be the second largest richest man in the world and move like an angry teenager, like tweeting when I get mad and just saying things and not keeping my word and everything, because that's going to directly affect my share prices of Twitter, which isn't on the market right now, but it's still going to affect the way people think about Twitter as a business, SpaceX and Tesla, which he owns, obviously. Now it says pressure is also mounting in the used car market, with the average price for a used Tesla dropping 17%. Like I said, if you want a Tesla, scoop it up. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. From the July highs, and with used Tesla lingering longer than markets before being resold. Now, meanwhile, at Twitter, Musk has continued to flirt with controversy, something you don't do as a CEO and something that you don't do as a billionaire. You don't have the time. You have better things to do. You got better things to do, like keeping your businesses afloat, and that's why Tesla's getting hit. Like, okay. Welcoming back previously banned users, enabling the continued releases of internal messages related to the company's past handling of C-19 and election-related content, and flopping on policy changes. As you know, he said he would never ban the helicopter or what is it, the people, Elon jet, the people who would track his jet. He said he would never ban them due to free speech, and then he went back on his word and he banned all of those channels and banned even the person's personal thing, which I don't think necessarily, I'm not sure. I don't think was breaking any type of policy or anything like that, but I guess because he owned Elon Jet, he pretty much shut that person down. I'm hearing of a lot of censorship, which is pretty much what he said he was trying to fight. Now, has he become the thing that he hates the most is really the question. Let me know what you guys think about it. Now, it says companies have paused or suspended paid advertising on the platform, prompting outbursts from Musk. Obviously, they've done that because, it's a completely different platform now, and they just don't see the value in it. So let me know what you guys think about this. Do you guys think this is more of a recessionary thing or a Fed increasing the interest rates kind of problem that Tesla is really being hit with? Or do you guys think this is an Elon Musk problem, as being a very strange and interesting CEO, and a lot of people are just jumping ship because they're like, I don't know if I want to have my investments that I may hold for 20-30 years invested into a CEO that can change his mind within a week. So let me know all about that. Also, thank you guys again so much for 500 subscribers. I'm very appreciative of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm very humble when it comes to that, because 500 is nothing. We trying to get to 1,000, but I definitely, love that you guys have been showing so much love, all the comments and everything like that. So keep it up, and I'm gonna keep up these videos for you guys. You guys all have a great day. Obviously, you're gonna have a better day than Tesla stock is gonna have this today. Like, if it's going up, it's going up 1-2%. If it's going down, it's going down like 5. So let's keep it a stack. But y'all have a great day and be blessed.